In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another category on the Expensify website. Whether you're managing a personal budget or handling a business's finances, organizing your expenses into categories can significantly enhance your budgeting efficiency and accuracy. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily add a category and streamline your financial organization. First things first, let's navigate to Workspaces. You'll find this option in the left-hand navigation menu once you're logged into your Expensify account. The Workspaces area is essentially the command center for managing your expense-related activities, so it's where we'll start our task. Clicking on Workspaces will display all available workspaces that you have access to. Next, you'll want to select the specific workspace where you intend to add the new category. This is crucial, as each workspace can have its own set of categories tailored to different aspects of your financial management. Simply click on the name of the workspace that you're focusing on today. If you're handling multiple projects or businesses, being in the right workspace will ensure that your new category is created in the correct context. Once you're inside the chosen workspace, direct your attention to its menu and click on Categories. This section is where all existing categories are listed, providing you with an overview of how expenses can be organized. Reviewing this list before adding a new category can be helpful to avoid duplications, ensuring that the categories remain clear and distinct for all users. Now it's time to add your new category. Look for a button or link that says Add Category, which is typically easy to spot, usually in the area where the list of categories is displayed. Clicking this will bring up a prompt or a new page where you can input information for the new category. Enter the name for your new category here. Choosing a clear and descriptive name is beneficial, as it will help anyone using the workspace to understand what expenses belong here at a glance. For example, if you're tracking expenses specifically related to client meals, a name like Client Meals might be appropriate. Finally, once you've settled on a name, the last step is to click Save. This action will finalize the addition of your new category, ensuring it's now part of your workspace's structure. After saving, you should be able to see your new category listed among the others. It's now ready to use for organizing future expenses or even restructuring existing ones. And there you have it. You've successfully added a category to your Expensify workspace. Being organized with your categories can make budget reporting and review much more efficient, enabling a smoother financial management process overall. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.